I came to this machine. This is Huff and Extra Puff. The major's 1,800. Mini's 100. Even if you bet $5. Now, you could bet 5, 10, 15, 20, or 25. So I'm only gonna do $100. But this game is fun. But I'm gonna do $10 because they say do the second one up on whatever highest denomination goes. So I can do 10 spins and we don't get nothing. Well, we just, we won't keep pouring money into it. You need 3 of the hats, I believe. Or anything that lines up. Oh, come on, baby. That wasn't fair. But I think this has a good, 3 buzzsaws will give you that up there. That's $18. So that's, yeah, I'm not feeling it. What, baby? Uh-oh. Oh, boy. Come on, baby. Don't say baby. Yeah, don't give me these little tiny bets. This does have a wager saver. Oh, we're gonna need it. Play wager saver. Oh, that's not fair.